we have subtraction of algebraic fractions. How we do this? We need to have the same denominator. So first let's check what we have here. We have 4x squared y, 2xy cubed and 3y. And we have multiplication in the denominators. So first we have to check the numbers. We have 4, 2 and 3. So the least common denominator for 4, 2 and 3 is 12. And next, when we have variable, we have to choose variables, every variable which we have in the denominator, and with the highest power we have x squared and x. So we have to choose x squared. We have y, y cubed and y. So we have to choose y cubed. So from the beginning, let me copy first this algebraic fractions. We have 8 over 4x squared y minus 1 over 2xy cubed minus 2 over 3y. So like I said, we need to have the same denominators to subtract algebraic fractions. And first we check the numbers 4, 2 and 3. So the least common denominator will be 12. And because this is the smaller number which is divisible by 4, 2 and 3. And next we check variable. We have x and y. We have to choose variable with the highest power. X squared we have and x. So it will be x squared. And we have y and y cubed. The highest is 3, so it will be y to third power. And now we check our first denominator. We have only 4 here. And now we have 12. It means we have to multiply this denominator by 3 to get 12. Next we have x squared. X squared is correct. And we have y cubed. And we have only y to first power here. So we have to multiply by y squared. Y to first power times y to second power. The same base, we add exponents. Y plus 2 is 3. So now it will be correct. And now when I multiply this denominator by 3y squared, I have to do the same with numerator. So it will be here times 3y squared. Next, the same denominator we have to have. We have 2 only, so I need to multiply this denominator by 6 to get 12. And now we have to check. We have x squared, and here is only x in first power. So we need to multiply this times x. X times x give me x squared, and we have y cubed, so everything is okay. Because I'm multiplying this denominator by 6x, I have to multiply numerator by 6x. And the last denominator is 3y. We have 12 first, so we have to multiply this by 4. And next we have x squared. We don't have here x squared, so we need to multiply by x squared with denominator. And we have y cubed, and here is only y in first power, so we need to multiply by y to the second power. The same base, we add exponent y by plus 2 is 3. So now will be okay. And because I'm multiplying denominator by this whole expression, so I need to multiply numerator by the same. Because I cannot change this algebraic fraction. I can extend but not change. And now we have to copy. We have the same denominator. 4 times 3 is 12, x squared. And we have y to first times y squared is y cubed. And numerators we have to multiply. 8 times 3 is 24, and y squared we copy minus. Denominator is 12x squared y cubed, and 1 times 6x is 6x minus, and we have 12x squared y cubed, and 2 times 4 is 8 x squared y squared. Next, when we have the same denominators, we copy denominator. And we have to subtract our numerators. So 24y minus 6x minus 8x squared y squared. What else? We have to reduce to the lowest terms. We can reduce when we have multiplication. So we have to check if we can factorize our numerator. We have different variables, but we have 24, 6 and 8. So we can factorize 2. It will be 12y squared minus 3x minus 4x squared y squared over 12x squared y cubed. So now we can reduce 12 with 2. The greatest common factor for 2 and 12 is 2, so it will be 1 and 6. So now we have in the numerator 1 times this whole expression, so will be the same. 12y squared minus 3x minus 4x squared y squared over 6 times x squared y cubed. This is my solution.